Module 5. Project 1. What did Tony eat yesterday? Listen and read. Health.
Yesterday, I had a bowl of cereal with milk for breakfast. For lunch, I had meat and salad. After school, I played football for 1 hour. In the afternoon, I had a bowl of fruit salad. For dinner, I had a plate of pasta with vegetables. I had some ice cream for dessert. At night, I slept for 10 hours. Yesterday was a healthy day.
Baiklah, kamu dah dengar kan tadi teks tu? So, ada beberapa soalan. There are a few questions that I want to ask you. What did Tony eat for breakfast? He ate a bowl of cereal with milk. Did he exercise? Yes, he did. What sport did he play? He played football. How many times did he eat vegetables? He ate vegetables twice. Did he eat any fruits? Yes, he did. He ate a bowl of fruit salad. How many hours did he sleep? He slept for 10 hours. Was yesterday a healthy day for Tony? Yes, it was. Baiklah, di bahagian exercise and sleep, tidak diisi jawapan kan? Okay, kamu boleh refer semula kepada teks tadi. Baca semula. Kamu akan jumpa jawapannya. Next, for this activity, you need to read again the activity 1. Okay, then you will find the answer in the text. Alright. Conjunction. We use or to introduce another possibility. For examples, 1. For breakfast, you can eat noodles or sandwich. 2. We can watch a movie or play chess. 3. Do you drink 2 or 3 glasses of milk every day? Okay, that's all for now. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel.